Hey there, future YouTube star. Welcome to the exciting world of content creation. You want to make $1,000 on YouTube? Awesome. It's a fantastic goal and totally achievable. It's totally doable even if you're just starting out. With some dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your passion into profit. Here are 6 steps to get you on the road to earning that sweet $1,000. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. Step 1. Find your niche. This is the foundation of your channel. Think about what you're passionate about. What topics can you talk about endlessly without getting bored? Do you love gaming, cooking, or maybe tech gadgets? Your niche should reflect your interests and expertise. Focusing on a specific area helps you stand out and attract a loyal audience. People are more likely to subscribe if they know what to expect from your content. Remember, it's easier to connect with people when you're genuinely interested in the topic. Your enthusiasm will be contagious. Step 2. Create high-quality content. This doesn't mean you need the best equipment. You don't need fancy equipment. Your smartphone is good enough to get started. Many successful YouTubers began with just their phones. Your smartphone is good enough to get started. Focus on making your videos visually appealing and easy to watch. Pay attention to good lighting and clear audio. These 2 factors can significantly improve the quality of your videos. Content is king, so make sure your videos are entertaining, informative, or both. Step 3. Be consistent. Consistency is key to building an audience. Upload regularly, whether it's once a week or twice a month. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Stick to your schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content. This reliability will help you build a loyal following. Consistency builds trust and keeps viewers coming back for more. They'll look forward to your next upload. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Interaction is crucial for growth. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community. Show your viewers that you value their input. The more you interact, the more your viewers will feel connected to you and your channel. This connection fosters loyalty. This engagement can turn casual viewers into loyal fans. They'll be more likely to support you and share your content. Step 5. Optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization helps your videos get discovered. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This makes it easier for people to find your videos. This will help your videos get discovered in search results. The right keywords can make a big difference. Tools like TubeBuddy or Vidicue can give you insights on what keywords to use. They can also help you track your progress. Step 6. Monetize your channel. This is where the magic happens. Once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This is your gateway to earning ad revenue. This allows you to earn from ads, but don't stop there. Explore other income streams to maximize your earnings. Look into affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling your own merchandise. Diversifying your income streams is key. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and effort. Stay patient, keep improving, and most importantly, have fun with it. Enjoy the journey and celebrate small milestones along the way. Your passion and dedication will shine through, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to earning that $1,000. Your hard work will pay off. So what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Get out there and start creating. You've got this. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Your support means the world to us. See you in the next video. Keep creating and stay awesome.